Hey, Karibu Client. This is Godson Joint. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can create cartoon video. Don't miss.
Kera Bakame n'impyisi byarabanaga neza, ariko Bakame ikababazwa n'uko impyisi iyirusha ubukungu. Bukeye Bakame iganiriza impyisi ati:
Tonto, sasa wowe reka ducuruze stile tu numva ngo ziba amakana.
Impyisi yikiriza ivuga iti: umuta ako kantu. Gucuruza biratangira, ndetse n'ibyo bacuruzaga bitangira gucuruzwa mu mahanga. Ayo bungukaga yose yabikwaga kwa Bakame. Bakame imaze kuzurana amafaranga, ubucuruzi burahagarara, irangije ngo irirwaza. Hashize iminsi Bakame izinduka ijya kwa Mpyisi igira iti:
Yemwe bakamuzi bite basaza.
Mpyisi yikiriza igira iti: ni bon, ndacyariho ndahumeka, urashaka iki wanyatsiwe?
Mane narayemuye n'utubazo tu hari abanex gutya yarayanyibye inoti zawe barazigurukana, ariko jama vraiment yose nzayakwishyura.
Hashize iminsi Bakame irabura, ukura kwayo Impyisi yiyemeza kujya kuyishyuza aho yari ituye.
Oui Andre.
Bakame we, inoti zanjye zirihe mutamusi?
Urabona njye nta noti mfite ubu ngubu narakennye.
Kandi mbona wicariye ikazi za Primus sha.
Oya izi nyine izi nizo nikopesheje.
Izo brochette mucoma yaziguhariye ubuntu se man, iranyishyura.
So basically, we are going to recreate this technique here that I have used already. I think you can see this white transition that is going on. This is what we are going to recreate. So that when you have maybe one or two or three illustrations, maybe you can come up with a little something, So let's go ahead and see how we can create it. So I've already arranged my assets, the footage or the sketches that I'm going to use. So as you can see, it's three footage or videos or pictures, however you want to call it. So it's this one. I think I have to zoom in a little bit. So the first one, you can see it's a small phone. There's one this is the first one that has sketches. Okay, this is the second one, and you can see the third one. The thing that I have to do now is to do what? Maybe is to create, select them all, and replace with After Effects composition. Just like that, we are now into the After Effects software. So the first thing that I want to do now is to change the composition settings by clicking composition, go to composition settings, and create it to maybe 2 seconds or 2 frames. I don't want it to be long. Okay. And also the composition setting canvas, as you can tell, you can see that it's 1080 to 1920. So it's this kind of canvas fit to maybe IG story or TikTok, something like that, or IG reel. So you can come back here and try to first can go select them all, come here to time and click here to freeze frame. By doing that, you can make it stable and they are not going to move. You can maybe stretch it to fit your composition timing. By doing this, now I'm going to put this one above and lock it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to come here and select on shape But on this settings of this shape, I am going to click here on fill and select here on none. Okay, by doing so, now you can see the white color has been removed. The next thing that I'm going to do is to create here on shape layer and click on P or position. Click here on this kind of watch, click and also click here on the first flame or the first second, click it. Okay, come back here. Also you can click on this one to get back, and now you can drag these arrows here to get back to this side. You can do it like this. Okay, and maybe render it in quarter, so we are not going to see it now, but we are going to get there. By doing this, you can select all these frames, click here on keyframe system, go on ease, click on this shape layer, and by holding it, click on Ctrl and D to duplicate it so you can see the shape layer. You can also do it by going here on edit and click here on duplicate. You can also see the shortcut. So the next thing is to come and change the setting of this shape, this layer, but give it a color. It might be a white color and any color of your choice, but then again click on the layout and then click here on the track name, click here on alphabet. Okay, I can see the little change here. Now when you click like this, now you can see ready to swipe. Now we came from this direct cage to this one. Okay, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to select all of that and compose it. Okay, by doing this, we can maybe come back to our first frame and recreate the same steps. Okay, by doing like this, masking it to the same steps, go to position, create like this, go here instead of going back, do like this, come back, go back like this, make it easy, duplicate it, but the second layer, now you can also change the track map on Alpha 2. So now we came from here to there like this. Okay, so I chose this footage for the sake of visit Rwanda, and you can also like visit Rwanda if you want to, and keep watching this short animation on YouTube. It's called Bakame PC. Shout out to the team that have helped me to produce it. Shout out to Eve and Yannick. Okay, you can subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.